What's going on, guys? So this is why I use a robotic lawnmower. This is my yard. Now, looking at my yard, at my grass, you would imagine that my grass and my yard is level all the way around. Nope, it isn't. I have robotic lawnmowers. Where's the robotic lawnmower? There you go. I have a robotic lawnmower that mows my yard. Where you at? There you go. And it mows my yard every day. Look at that Bermuda. Not a weed in sight. Now, I just don't have one robotic lawnmower. I have two robotic lawnmowers that mow my front yard. That's just by choice.